This is a Toyota GT86, one of the best cars you can buy for under £25,000. A lot of motoring experts are saying this is a must-have car for petrol heads. I wasn't always sure about these, but it has grown on me. Some very notable YouTubers from Leicester have had a GT86 and they say they're a lot of fun to drive. This is what Jeremy Clarkson once said when he first drove the GT86.
This is one of the best cars I have driven in ages.
So I started looking online at a very well-known auction site and started looking for my very own GT86 and won one. And it was probably the cheapest GT86 in the UK for a very good reason. And here it is, being delivered on a pair of skids. The reason it was the cheapest example in the UK is because this one didn't come with any keys, making it my biggest risk yet. It's got the most damage of any car I've ever bought, and because I don't have any keys for it, I don't know if the engine is any good either. So the first thing I needed to do was find someone that could program a smart key. Luckily I found a great company in Coventry called Electro Locksmith. They came out right away and got to it. For £210 I've got a new smart key and a key blade. Okay, it's not OEM, but Toyota wanted £500 just for the smart key, so I think I made the right call. I'll leave a link for the locksmith that I used in the description below if anyone needs a spare key making. They do other stuff too, but you have to have a look on their website to find out more. This thing absolutely smells inside, so we're going to be using some Chemical Guys signature scent. And hopefully it smells a little bit better. With the 86 off the trailer, I can have a look at how bad the damage is. I had to leave the battery on charge for 3 days to get enough charge in it before I could see if the engine was any good. Because I wasn't sure about the engine, I called my brother-in-law Tom to come and have a look. He's pretty much an expert on Subaru engines. I'm not sure what this stain is, but I'm fairly sure it happened at the same time as the accident. This interior is going to need a really deep valet to get rid of the stains and smell. If you can recommend some good products, leave a comment below. So now it's time to give it a try. Will it run or have I bought a lemon? Yeah, that didn't count. Let's try again. Yay, first try. With that worry put to rest, I can get the 86 into the garage and start taking it apart and properly inspect the damage. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next one.